All right, so success. So I did list my first NFT ever. They're called Crypto Snails, and the first series has about 50 of them, which I talked a little bit about in my last video, but it's officially up and going for bid. I don't think I'm going to sell it, but we'll see. I did complete my what I set out to do, my adventure. I don't know if I set out to sell it or if I set out to just list it, but whatever, it's listed. I'm okay with that. I don't know where this is going to go, but all in all, it cost me about maybe a little over $200 to list my first NFT. So that's with the marketplace fees, gas fees, transferring US dollars into Ethereum, all of that stuff. So it took about a month and a half, well, maybe a month and a half from like really serious like inception, like trying to figure out that I want to do this, making some of the first artworks. So about a month and a half until I could get verified and get to this point where I've actually have an NFT on the market. So it takes a long time. So if you're thinking about it, it's kind of exciting. Start now, because there's a wide learning curve. Like, it's not easy. It's like a different language. So anyway, you're gonna need maybe a little bit over $200, probably a little bit more than that, because there's a lot of fees. So so there's a lot of fees. You do have to put in a lot of capital to kind of get started. That's where it sort of feels like they're just taking all your money. They're just taking all your money.
They're just taking all your money.
Then I don't know if I'm going to sell this NFT. I don't know if anyone's going to buy this NFT. I mean, they should. I'm going to be a famous artist one day. But I don't think anyone's going to buy this NFT. I mean, it's exciting. It feels like people are like buying them. But I mean, how do you promote an NFT? Like, I promoted it on my Instagram. I have over 30,000 followers. I don't think anyone's interested in buying an NFT. I don't think they're the demographic that really goes after, what are they called? That does cryptocurrency. Maybe there's a few, but so far no bites. So we'll see. Maybe the artwork that I posted isn't good enough. Maybe it's not really like NFT art. I don't know. It's a rough sketch. So here we are. I did it. A success. I'm happy that I got to this point. I know a lot more than I did a month ago. I don't know if I'm going to sell this NFT, and I don't really care at this point. I'm sort of just happy just to kind of have it out there and have a decent understanding of all the steps involved. And hopefully, as with everything that you first kind of get into, there's a learning curve, and I hope to kind of get better and figure out this market, because if I can figure out how it works, everything sort of has an algorithm. If I can sort of figure that out and sort of get into a nice flow, maybe it'll be worth it for me, and maybe it'll be worth it for you. So I'll chill for now. I'll see how this does. I think the bidding ends in a couple days. I don't know if it's dead. I don't know if it's going to restart if no one bids. I have no idea. So I'm going to wait a while, see what happens with this, and I'll keep you posted. But just know that it's going to take about a month and a half for you to get started. It's going to take, I would say, at least $300, $200 to $300, and it will feel like they're taking your money. I think that's it. It's called Crypto Snails. If you want to buy my first NFT ever, then you can buy it. You can be the proud owner of my very first NFT, which is the first, hopefully, in a very long line. I have 50 versions. I have 50 snails that I want to do for the first series. So that'd be really cool if I'm able to actually get to that point. I gotta figure out how to market these things. I gotta figure out how to market myself. I feel like that's what it is. So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you in the next video. Well, I don't know why I did that. If you're interested in buying my first NFT, go to OpenSea.io and search Crypto Snails or Drug Free Dave. Also, if you just want to buy a cool Crypto Snails t-shirt, sweatshirt, or Drug Free Dave t-shirt, stickers, magnets, then check out TeePublic. I have a lot of cool merch just in case you want to support and, get some authentic Drug Free Dave Crypto Snails merch. All right, see you in the next one.